Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to access local channels on Apple TV. If you are looking to watch local news, sports, weather and broadcast TV on your Apple TV, please keep watching this video. I will explain the step-by-step process. The first method is use a live TV streaming services best overall. Several live TV services include local ABC, CBS and NBC, Fox and PBS stations in many areas. For this, first step is open the App Store on your Apple TV. Download a live TV app such as YouTube TV, Hulu, Fubo and Direct TV. Sign in or start a free trial. After that, allow location services if prompted. Browse a live TV guide and watch your local stations, local channel availability, various of zip code. Now here I tell second method, that is watch free local channels with antenna. If you have an HD antenna, you can watch local broadcast channels for free. You will need an HD TV antenna, a complete network TV tuner such as the HDMI home run. For the steps is, first of all connect the antenna to the TV tuner, then connect the tuner to your home network, then install the tuner's Apple TV app. After that, scan for available channels, then start watching live local TV. Now here I tell third method, that is use local station apps. Many TV stations offer their own Apple TV apps. Now here I tell fourth method, that is watch free streaming local news. Free apps offering local news include News on, Hashtag News and Local News. And telling turn on location services. Some live TV apps use your location to determine which local station you can watch. For this, open settings, go to privacy and security, select location services, turn it on, allow access for your streaming apps. Now here I tell troubleshooting steps. If local channels are not appearing, check your zip code in the streaming service, enable location service, restart Apple TV, upgrade the app to latest version, verify that local channels are available in your area. This is final tip for most users. YouTube TV, Hulu Plus and Live TV or Fubo provide the easiest way to watch local channels on Apple TV. If you want to avoid monthly fees or pairing HD antenna with a network TV tuner gives you a free access to local broadcasting supported areas. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below. Thank you.